Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today, I'm just so excited. Why? Because ding ding ding, here I have my iPhone 14 Pro Max and I'm going to unbox it. So stay tuned. See? Oh, look at that, guys. That's the box. And let me rip it like this. You have that green arrow that we're gonna follow. Wow. Ding, ding, ding. Ready? There it is. Here's the iPhone. Look at that. How gorgeous it is. I like how purple. It's so dark purple, guys. And I love how purple it is. Look at that. And it comes with the charger cable. Don't have the adapter in it. They have these manual stickers, and it doesn't came with a SIM card because it doesn't have a physical SIM card. So I need to set up this phone as eSIM, guys. So guys, as I told you that the new iPhones right now, the iPhone 14 lineup, they don't have the physical SIM no more. So long physical SIM cards and hello eSIM. So what I did, guys, so I went to AT&T store and asked them to convert my physical SIM to eSIM, and it goes smoothly, guys, and now my phone is ready to use. So here it is, guys, my phone. It's already set up and I have my applications too in it, and it's ready to use. My phone number was in there. So guys, I'm gonna show you my accessories here. First, I'm gonna show you the adapter that I have here. It's 30 watts, and I'm gonna show you the picture here, and also the screen protector I'm using, the Spygen, guys, and also my phone case. It's from Casely, and my lens protector. Look at that, how matches with my back phone case. So that's it, guys, my unboxing, and and showing you my accessories. I hope I don't bore you guys, but thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye for now.